Welcome back. Now let's look at some candlestick patterns that can be used to determine reversal points in the market. Now these patterns are a combination of two or more candlesticks appearing after an uptrend or a downtrend. Let's first define what is a reversal candlestick pattern. A reversal pattern is essentially a combination of candlesticks that indicates a reversal in trend. One should pay attention to the trend before the pattern to determine whether the pattern is bullish or bearish. Essentially, a bullish reversal pattern would only be valid if it appears after a downtrend, and a bearish reversal pattern would only be valid if it appears after an uptrend. So for example, you cannot have a bullish reversal pattern appearing after an uptrend. Now let's look at the different reversal patterns. The first reversal pattern we'll be looking at is the engulfing pattern. An engulfing pattern can be a bullish engulfing pattern or a bearish engulfing pattern, depending on the implication of the pattern. This pattern consists of two candlesticks of different colors. A bullish engulfing pattern occurs after a market fall and indicates a change in trend. The first candle in a bullish engulfing pattern is a black candle, which reinforces the recent downtrend. The next candle is a white candle, where the white body completely engulfs the previous period's black body. Now this indicates that the bulls have taken over from the bears. Now opposite of a bullish engulfing pattern is a bearish engulfing pattern, which occurs after a market rally. The first candle of this two candle pattern is a white body signifying the recent upward trend. The next candle is a black body, which completely engulfs the previous period's white body and thus indicates that the bears have taken over from bulls, and you can expect a substantial reversal in the uptrend. Now the next reversal pattern we'll look at is the dark cloud cover. This is also a 2-day reversal pattern with bearish implication. Since this pattern has a bearish implication, it should appear after an uptrend for it to be valid. The first day of this pattern is a long white candlestick. It reflects the current trend of the market, which is up. And the next day, the prices open above the high price of the previous day, which essentially adds to the bullishness of the previous day, but then the prices trade lower for the rest of the day, with closing price at least below the midpoint of the body of the first day. This signifies significant blow to the bulls, as many might be forced to exit the market. Since the second candle has a black body, this is referred to as the dark cloud in the name dark cloud cover. The occurrence of this pattern after an uptrend signifies a substantial pullback in prices. It may also indicate a complete change of trend. However, if this pattern appears in a downward trending market, then it has no forecasting value. Now the next pattern is the piercing line pattern, which is opposite of the dark cloud cover pattern. Now for this pattern to be of significance, it should occur after a substantial downtrend. The first candle in this pattern is a long black candlestick, which essentially confirms the downward trend to the trader. The next day, prices open at a new low, but then recover to trend higher all day, and ultimately the prices close above the midpoint of the first candlestick's body. This signifies significant change in the downtrend and may force many traders to reverse or exit their position. Since this pattern is formed only after a downtrend, it is essentially a bullish reversal signal, and the prices are expected to move up after occurrence of this pattern. Also, it should be obvious that if this pattern occurs in an uptrend, then it has no forecasting value. The final reversal patterns we'll look at are the evening and morning stars. Now the evening and morning stars are both 3-day reversal patterns that are just opposite to each other. A evening star is a bearish reversal pattern. The first day of this pattern is a bullish white candlestick signifying the uptrend in full force. On the second day, the prices open gap up and trade in a narrow range. On this day, the opening and closing prices are near to each other, but throughout the day, the prices continue to stay above the body of the previous day. On the third day, there is a change in trend and the prices open lower with a gap below the body of the second day, and further the prices close lower, going below the midpoint of the body of the first day. This essentially signals a reversal in the uptrend. Now you should wait for all three candlesticks to be completed before you initiate any action. Now the opposite of evening star is the morning star. Hence, morning star is a bullish reversal pattern, and its occurrence is of significance only if it comes after a significant downtrend. Now the first day in this pattern is a bearish black candlestick, which signifies the downtrend in full force. On the second day, the prices open lower with a gap and trade in a narrow range. The opening and closing price on the second day are near each other, but the prices continue to stay below the body of the first day. On the third day, the prices open with a gap up above the body of the second day, and they happen to close higher with the closing prices above the midpoint of the body of the first day. The completion of this pattern essentially signals a reversal in the downtrend. Now these are some important reversal patterns which will indicate to you a change in trend. In the next lecture, we'll look at some continuation candlestick patterns.